Mrs. Blish. Thank you for all the laughs over the last 2 years. It's been an honor to get to work with you. Enjoy your retirement. You deserve it. And you won't be among the mad people anymore. Lucky you.
Thanks, Miss Blish, for helping me change my bad habits, helping me get out of ISS, and always being there to have personal conversations with throughout the school day. Have a great retirement.
Congratulations, Mrs. Blackley. I am really excited for your retirement. I am also really jealous that you get to go and I am still here. However, if you are ever bored and you want to come back and, I don't know, say sub in class, I'd be more than happy to have you. But seriously, in the meantime, I hope you get to do all of the things that you really love to do, and that retirement is everything that you hoped it would be, because I'm going to miss you. Love you.
Hi, Miss Blackley. Thank you for all the work you've assisted me with throughout the past few years. I would not have been able to graduate without you. You have been such a huge impact on my high school experience. You are one of the best teachers I know. Thank you and have a great retirement.
Patty, working alongside you the past 3 years has been a highlight of my career. From day one, I could see why students adore you. Your patience and your kindness have made this classroom thrive. I know you've inspired so many people inside of the school, and I know you'll continue to inspire so many outside. I'm looking forward to the travels you have in store, and I'm so excited for you to have endless adventures ahead. Thank you for everything you've done for us. I'm going to miss you so much. Congratulations on your retirement.
Thank you for always being there as a teacher and just someone to talk to. You made math so understandable and just made algebra so fun. You are such an amazing person and you deserve the best retirement ever. Thank you so much.
Hi, Mr. Fole. Thank you so much for all you've done for me this year. I really appreciate how much you've helped me with my homework 8th period and always being there for me. I'm really going to miss you when you retire, and I hope you have a great retirement. You will be missed.
Good evening, Chuck, and Superintendent Taylor and President Polkowski. I just want to take a minute to thank Chuck Fole for his 28 years of outstanding service to our district. Chuck, you were the rock in our social studies department. By rock, I mean stubborn and obtuse. You were something to put up with for 28 years. However, your records here were outstanding, and I want to thank you for that. The district is a better place. But also, you're going to be best known for your time as a soccer coach here. What a record. 6 NO titles, 4 Section 6 titles, 3 appearances to the Final Fours in the state. Outstanding. For that, the district has great appreciation. Now that you're leaving, unfortunately though, you're leaving me as the old man in the department. I will do my best to keep up your tradition of being stubborn. But please enjoy your retirement at Silver Lake. You deserve all of it. Good luck, Chuck.
Good afternoon, everyone. I just would like to say thank you to our 4 retirees, Mr. Fole, Ms. Blackley, Ms. Moeller, and Ms. Blish, for all of you over 25 years. Mr. Fole at the most, 29 years of service at Akron High School. We are going to miss you tremendously. You've been really the bedrock for our students and our staff and our community, and I know our students are going to miss you and miss the times that you've been in school and hopefully molded them into students to better society and to represent Akron. So we really are going to miss you, and we do wish you the best. You deserve it, to take some time off, enjoy your family, and know that you will never be replaced in Akron and you will always be remembered. So thank you very much. We love you, and go Tigers.